Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change resolution in a prototype. Adjusting your prototype's resolution is a fundamental step to ensure it looks great and functions perfectly across different devices. We'll start by navigating to the display settings, which are usually found in the project or artboard properties. This initial step is vital for setting the stage for a responsive design, ensuring your work translates well from concept to a polished user interface. Let's dive in. Once you're in the display settings, you'll typically see options to modify the artboard's width and height. Many tools offer predefined templates, such as a standard mobile resolution of 375 by 812 pixels, or a desktop view of 1440 by 900 pixels. You can also manually enter specific pixel dimensions to achieve a custom resolution, giving you complete flexibility for your design needs. This allows for meticulous control over your prototype's appearance. After making resolution changes, it's crucial to thoroughly test your prototype. Use the preview mode to simulate how your design appears on various devices, from a small smartphone screen to a large monitor. Pay close attention to how elements scale and if any layout issues arise. You might need to iterate, making small adjustments to the width and height until your prototype looks perfect across all target resolutions. This iterative process ensures a polished and professional final product. To maintain consistency and efficiency, always design with responsiveness in mind. Start your projects using common device resolutions, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels for desktop or 360 by 800 pixels for mobile, as a baseline. Documenting these choices is also key, especially when working in a team, to ensure everyone is aligned. This proactive approach saves time and prevents rework, leading to a smoother prototyping workflow and a better user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.